To perform soft reset, press and hold blue and red power off buttons for approximately 5 seconds. Soft reset reboots the device and preserves information stored in the RAM. You would perform soft reset when your device is not responding, after installing some software applications, or after making changes to the system settings. Wait until the terminal returns back to the home screen to complete the reset. To perform hard reset, you will need to press and hold blue and green buttons for about 5 seconds. Wait until the device restarts and comes back to the home screen. Hard reset reboots the device and closes any open applications running in the RAM. If you would like to reset your device to its factory state, press and hold blue and green buttons and wait until the device restarts. As soon as it turns back on, type numbers 1277 and then select Factory Reset and then press letter Y to confirm your choice. Wait for a few minutes until the device is reset to its factory state.